In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a mood board on Milanote. Start by opening Milanote in your browser and creating a new board. When the option appears, pick the mood board template for a ready-made layout or choose a blank board if you want complete freedom. Give the board a clear, purposeful name, something like brand mood board or interior design concept, so it's easy to recognize later. Begin gathering inspiration. Drag and drop images straight from your computer, or paste them in from places like Pinterest and Google. Look for visuals that express your direction. Colors, textures, furniture, fashion, and typography all work well. Cast a wide net at this stage. It's fine if you have more than you need because you'll refine as you go. Aim for images that feel related to one another so a theme starts to emerge. Add a color palette to anchor the look. Place color swatches on the board and define a few primary colors that will do the heavy lifting, then add a couple of accent colors for contrast. Seeing swatches beside your imagery immediately clarifies the mood and keeps your visual identity consistent. Add quick notes to capture intent and context. Write the style you're aiming for, maybe minimalist, modern, or boho, along with guiding keywords like clean, bold, or cozy. You can also note key materials or the overall vibe. Short, clear notes help collaborators understand why each element belongs. Now arrange the mood board. Milanote lets you move items freely, so group similar visuals together and leave comfortable spacing between clusters. Align edges where it feels natural, vary scale to emphasize hero images, and let your eye flow from one area to the next. Think visually rather than logically. The goal is to communicate feeling at a glance. It helps to zoom out occasionally and check that the layout feels balanced. If you prefer more structure, create small labeled sections such as inspiration, colors, textures, typography, and references. This makes the story of your concept easy to follow. Refine the selection. Remove anything that clashes with your theme and keep only the strongest pieces. Less is more. A tight, coherent set speaks louder than a crowded board. Add links and references for products or sources by pasting the URLs. Milanote will generate handy previews, keeping research alongside your visuals. When you're ready to share, click Share to invite collaborators, or switch to presentation mode for a clean, distraction-free walkthrough. Your Milanote mood board is now ready to guide your project from idea to execution.